if you're ready to spice up your spice cabinet in just 5 simple steps, stay tuned. Hey, good people. Welcome to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we'll be redesigning our spice cabinet so that spices and seasonings are easy to find, easily readable, and easy to handle. Also, this whole redo will help us avoid buying duplicate products. Let's get started. Step 1, pick your accessories. Ultimately, I chose 3 pieces from Home Goods. A spice rack for $9.99. This 2-level spice organizer for $9.99. And this shelf extender for $12.99. You may remember this piece when I tried to reorganize my pantry, but I just couldn't find a place for it. This spice rack reorganization project was perfect. Finally, I got these seasoning clip holders from Amazon for just $6.97. Love them. Step 2, clean out your spice area. I cleaned everything out, including the shelving. It's pretty easy to do as you just remove the pegs and pull the shelves out. I then wiped the cabinet as well as the spices and shelvings down with Lysol dual action wipes. Step 3, set up your space. Now that I was working with a clean slate, I could set up the shelves in a way that worked best for our family. Don't feel locked into anything in your home. If it doesn't work for you, change it. Step 4, personalize it. So this spice rack wasn't ideal as the spaces in between the rack made the spices unsteady when I placed them on the shelves. So I used the same foam board from my pantry project to create some balance. You can purchase foam board from the Dollar Tree. All right, good people, so we are at the end of the organization for the spice area, and here are the last couple of steps. We put all of the seasonings in this spice rack, and so these are the seasonings that I use on a regular basis but not every day. So you'll see like the nutmeg, the allspice, pumpkin spice, rosemary, parsley, thyme, ginger, cumin, curry, turmeric. I actually do use turmeric every day, but it was unable to fit on these season grabbers. Paprika. So I'll take this, which I love this because it's easy to pick up and place. Yeah, I tried to use the Lazy Susan up here, but I didn't like it because it didn't work well, and the Lazy Susan, it's just not ideal for high spaces. You can't see what's on it. It's hard to turn. So I like this better because you can see all the names of your spices and your seasonings. And it looks pretty good. I also use the Stadium style extensive or extended shelf. And so these are all the seasonings that are extra, believe it or not. So look how much extra stuff I was purchasing because I couldn't really tell what I had and what I didn't have. So when I went out to the store, I would just buy more. But now I can clearly see what I have, and so as I run out, I can come up here and replace it. These spice or seasoning hooks, I love them. I decided to put the seasonings that I use most on these hooks. It frees up some of the space in here, and then also it just makes it easier that I don't have to maneuver this every single time I need a spice. So these hooks were easy to install and they're easy to use. You just pull it off, and when it's time to put it back, you put it back. So I love that. This salt adobo season, I'm just going to keep here. There was not really a space, an ideal space for these items, but since it's only 3 of them, I think it works fine there. Move that over some and move these back. And then this is for my daughter. These are the spices that she uses on a regular basis, and I decided to put them in a little carton so that she can pick it up and put it back, and it's not heavy at all, and I just wanted to make it convenient for her too. She's smaller than I am in height and stature, and so dealing with something of this nature would be complicated for her. So I put her items in here. And this is my redo of my spice and seasoning area. I love it. It looks clean. It looks spacious. I can find things. My daughter can access her spices and seasonings. So I love it.